Hi there, today we are going to learn how you can display these members on the home page of your website with their images, etc. So how you can display featured members on the home page of your Brilliant Directories website. First of all, you need to go to design settings here, then click on home page, select content to display, and these are the members here. If you don't see any box here that says streaming members, you can simply add a new box and search for streaming members here. Okay, these are okay, so we already have here, so we don't need this one. I will click on edit. So these are the members. How we can change the text, text colors, how many you want to display. I want to display 8 members and 4 in one row. For now there are 3 in one row, but I want to display 8 in total. So I want to do a restriction that member must have photo. So any member that does not contain any photo, it should not appear on the home page. So view all button that display here, it will say view all, and oldest or random or newest, I will choose random. Membership plan, I will select featured membership plan only because they are paying me extra, so I only allow featured member to display on the home page. So here you can select what you want to display on their profile here. If you select about information, it will say about information. If you select top category, it will display top category, but I will select, let's say, sub-level category. Display location, yes, and view profile button. View profile button is this one. So I will select yes and save and close. Refresh the page. Now the layout is good. So this is the specialty, means subcategories. These are their images. This is their location, and this is view listing button and view all button that is going to search result page. It is going to search result page. It is saying search results. If you want to change this URL, you can simply go to general setting, search here, search results. So this is search results. You can cut it out and make developers. Okay, save changes, refresh the page. Now this page will say developers. Okay, so it is displaying all developers. So that's how you can display. For example, if you want to display here top category, you can select top category from here as well. Here, top level category. Okay, top level category is same for all. It is institutions. And if we display about information, we can also display about information. Okay, now the about information of them is here. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Tech Metavis.